Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mr. Heater hose is probably one of the most important safety components for your propane heater, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection between your propane tank and heater. In this video, we will deep dive into the Mr. Heater propane heater hose, reviewing its features, quality, and overall performance to help you determine if it's the right choice for your heating needs, covering everything from its durability and flexibility to its ease of use and compatibility with various propane heaters. Number 5. Mr. Heater Buddy Hose. This 10-foot hose is a game changer for your Mr. Heater Buddy. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter, making setup a breeze. It's built to last. It won't leach oil into the fuel stream, ensuring clean and efficient operation. Both ends tighten securely, providing a leak-proof connection to your propane tank and heater. The POL connection makes it simple to attach directly to your propane tank. No more fumbling with adapters. It's easy to store and transport. At just 3 by 9 to 7/8 by 11 inches, it's perfect for taking on the go. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. It's designed for use with the Mr. Heater MH9B Portable Buddy and MH18B Big Buddy heaters. Enjoy warmth and convenience. What we like. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter and boasts a secure connection. If you need a longer hose for your buddy heater and want a hassle-free setup, this is the one for you. Its secure connection ensures a safe and reliable propane flow, perfect for worry-free heating. What people say. The 10-foot length of this hose is just right for giving you the flexibility to position your propane tank at a safe distance from the heater. The hose is well made, with durable materials that feel built to last. The fittings are solid and connect securely to both the heater and the propane tank, giving me confidence that there won't be any leaks or issues during use. One of the great features of this hose is that it doesn't require a filter when used with a bulk tank. This simplifies the setup process and reduces the need for additional parts, making it more convenient and cost-effective. Number 4. Mr. Heater F271803 Hose. This 12-foot propane hose is designed for use with Mr. Heater Big Buddy heaters, both indoors and outdoors. It's built to last with solid brass fittings and a robust design. It connects directly to a 20-pound propane tank via a POL connection. This ensures a secure and reliable fuel supply for your heater. The built-in regulator reduces high pressure from larger tanks to a safe, low-pressure output for your heater. This ensures safe and efficient operation. It features a hand wheel for easy tightening and a female connector that fits standard 3/8-inch male SAE fittings. It's designed for a quick and secure connection. The hose material is rigorously tested to withstand 400 psi. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. It features a quick connect fitting and a convenient 12-foot length, providing flexibility and ease of use. Enjoy the warmth and convenience it offers. What we like. This hose comes with a built-in regulator and durable brass fittings. If you're using a larger propane tank and need a reliable pressure reduction, this is perfect. The regulator ensures consistent and safe heating, while the brass fittings provide superior durability and longevity. What people say. Good quality hose with enough length that you can keep the tank outside or far enough away for safety. Works well with my new Mr. Heater Big Buddy propane heater and saves time of using refillable or one-time use 1-pound tanks. Quick connect works nicely on heater itself, then regular screw-on end for the 20 pounds tank. Both burners run on this, where you need a 1-pound tank on each side for both burners to work with the regular tanks. This Mr. Heater hose is a perfect match to my Big Buddy heater. The 12-foot length gives me a safe option to sit a 30 pounds tank outside a window and safely heat in the house for emergency use. With a regulator built into the hose, it outputs low-pressure gas, reducing leaking gas hazards. It hooks up to a separate fitting on the heater by passing the 1-pound regulators and their plumbing in the heater, reducing potential leak points. Number 3. Mr. Heater F273702 Hose Assembly. This hose assembly makes it easy to connect your appliance to a larger propane tank. It's designed for convenience and safety. No more disposable tanks. It easily connects appliances designed for smaller tanks to a standard 20-pound cylinder, providing more fuel for longer use. It's versatile and works with a range of propane tank sizes, from 5 to 20 pounds. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Connecting it is a breeze. The hand-tightened swivels on both ends make setup quick and simple, no tools required. It's built to last. The high-pressure hose ensures reliable performance and a safe connection to your propane tank. Upgrade your propane setup with this convenient and durable hose assembly. Enjoy the freedom of using larger propane tanks with your existing appliances. What we like. It's designed for high-pressure applications and compatibility with 20-pound cylinders. If you need a heavy-duty hose for connecting larger cylinders to your appliance, this is the ideal choice. Its robust construction and high-pressure capabilities make it perfect for demanding situations. Number 2. Mr. Heater 5-foot propane hose. This hose is designed for easy connection and safety. It features a hand-tightened design on both ends for a secure fit. It includes an excess flow safety device, providing an extra layer of protection during use. Your safety is our priority. The handwheel makes connecting it a breeze. No more struggling with difficult connections. At 5 feet long, it offers the perfect reach for most applications. Enjoy the flexibility it provides. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. We stand behind the quality of our product. It's designed for simple installation and use. Anyone can easily connect it to their propane tank. What we like. This compact hose includes an excess flow safety device and is incredibly easy to connect. If you need a short, safe, and convenient hose for your portable heater, this is a great option. The safety device adds an extra layer of protection, while the simple hand-tightened connection makes setup a breeze. What people say. These are well-made hoses with nicely machined fittings that tighten and hold well and that do not leach chemicals from the hose material into your regulators and filters like cheap hoses from some other vendors. Use hose with my Mr. Buddy propane heater in our gazebo. Ontario winters can be cold and this hose works perfectly with a 20 pounds propane tank and the heater. Much better than using the 1-pound canisters. Great invention and easy to install. No leaks to date. Delivered on time, sturdy and with good fittings for the cylinder and the appliance. Number 1. Mr. Heater F273701 hose. This 5-foot propane hose is designed for portable appliances. It allows you to connect larger propane cylinders, offering more fuel for longer use. It features a durable construction with a 1-inch diameter and a 5-foot length, providing flexibility and reach. The brass and plastic construction ensures a secure connection to your appliance. It's designed with a male throwaway cylinder thread for easy attachment. Safety is key. It includes an excess flow safety feature to prevent gas leaks and ensure safe operation. It's perfect for use with portable appliances, giving you the freedom to use larger propane tanks where smaller ones might not suffice. This hose lets you use larger propane cylinders with appliances typically designed for smaller ones, providing extended run time. What we like. It's a versatile adapter that lets you use larger propane cylinders with appliances designed for smaller ones. If you want to use larger, more economical propane tanks with your portable appliance, this is the perfect solution. It provides convenience and cost savings by allowing you to use a wider range of propane tanks. What people say. Works great, no problems hooking it up to my Mr. Buddy heater. Using with my Mr. Heater Big Buddy heater, also recommend the Mr. Heater filter, perfect pairing. This was just what we needed to use our Mr. Heater in our greenhouse. Easy to attach to the Mr. Heater and to our 25 pounds propane bottle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.